What if your phone could do more, capture more, create more? What if your phone could transform into a powerful storytelling tool? This is Movi, your personal cinema robot. In just 5 years, FreeFly has redefined the art of camera movement. At our headquarters just outside of Seattle, we've designed the drones and cinema robots that have powered everything from Game of Thrones to the Tour de France. And we've taught Movi all our tricks. Shooting with Movi is simple. Slip your phone into Movi's clamp and run, ride, slide, skate, climb, and capture everything. You focus on the story while Movi turns every bump, jolt, and shake into smooth cinematic footage. Each Movi ship's preloaded with our favorite methods for creating stunning films. Majestic mode turns bumpy moves into smooth cinematic shots. Users can quickly toggle between presets and turn on or off horizon leveling with a single click. Echo mode allows you to select your start point, end point, and Movi takes care of the rest. This means a single user can execute shots that would normally take a small crew. Time-lapse mode enables you to compress time while executing dynamic moves. Movi can look up, down, left, and right very slowly and precisely, so that when played back at 5 to 20 times speed, your time-lapses will be even more dynamic. MoviLapse is a moving time-lapse. It allows you to cover huge distances and time spans and compress both to show your world in a completely new way. Sometimes to get the perfect shot, you just have to hold still. We built the Smart Pod mode into Movi that enables you to manually point wherever you want and know that Movi will hold that position perfectly. Great for family portraits, checking your squat form, or perfecting your golf swing. Movi was designed to play nice with a wide variety of cases and cinematic lenses. By building on Apple's powerful framework, Movi is able to track objects, points, and features to let you create shots with a single touch of your finger. Historically, these kind of shots would take 3 pros on set with at least 6 cups of coffee. Movi doesn't even like coffee. Combine your phone with Movi to create the world's most portable, capable, and intuitive cinema robot. Get Movi. Tell more moving stories.
An obstacle for a lot of riders is that riding a bicycle creates discomfort, wrist and shoulder pain. We ride on a lot of different terrain. We have trails, we got roads, gravel riding, we got potholes. Bicycle riding is not fun for a lot of people. We've developed the Connect suspension stem. The goal of the Connect stem is to reduce rider discomfort, fatigue in your arms and shoulders, your wrists and hands, and adapts to your bike and your riding ability. It works for everyone. It's really going to transform the way that you ride.
The single biggest thing that differentiates our stem from our competitors is the linkage design. We took the patented isolation technology from our seat post and applied it to our stem. With this design, you can put your hands anywhere on the handlebars. You get the same amount of travel, the same spring rate, same ride feel. Another benefit is that the handlebar type doesn't matter at all. Wide bars, curly bars, whatever you want. It's designed to be strong and durable and last for many bike rides to come.
As a company, we're trying to make bikes more comfortable to get more people riding bikes. You get the constant vibration on your hands or your legs or your body up through the back. I mean, for me, having this stem, I just feel much more relaxed on the bike. The confidence comes from the traction that you get. You're just a lot more stable. You can go down hills faster if you want to, go around corners faster.
This thing is sick. Any terrain that you're riding on, it's going to transform.
Suspension isn't just for mountain bikes. Suspension can help any ride be more comfortable. This stem is going to be huge for gravel riding, commuting, e-bikes, recreational riders, everybody.
Our Connect suspension stem is going to transform the way that you ride.
Order one right now so you can be one of the first people to have a good, comfortable ride on your bike and enjoy riding your bike more.
Wrap yourself in a relaxing, spa-like experience with the Live Fine Towel Warmer. Heat up your comfortable fabrics like bath sheets, towels, bathrobes, and blankets to keep you nice and toasty after a shower or around your home. Place your unfolded bath sheet into the standard size warmer, or pack 2 bath sheets into the large towel warmer. Cover the towel warmer with a removable lid and set timer on the LCD display with a press of a button. Select between 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and relax as your warmer evenly distributes heat through your bath sheet. Once the timer ends, the device will automatically shut off, and the hot surface indicator light will turn off, letting you know when it is safe to touch. The Live Fine Towel Warmer's sleek, modern design is available in black, white, or gray, making it an elegant-looking addition to your home. Place it in the comfort of your bedroom or right in your bathroom so you have a nice warm towel ready as soon as you step out of the shower. The Live Fine Towel Warmer is great for everyone, making it a wonderful gift for friends, family, or yourself. Experience luxurious relaxation with the Live Fine Towel Warmer.
Fighting for the mic? Chill. Just connect your TM20 to a computer and everyone's heard. Perfect for meetings and conference calls. This mic records from all directions up to 5 meters away. With an omnidirectional pickup pattern, balanced, subtle sounds are recorded from every angle, 360 degrees. And if the team's tripping, just hit the button for a quick mute. TM20. Your voice matters.
Bye.